Hi there, I'm Anila. Welcome to another card hopping event for the month of July, where the techniques are ink swiping and color blocking using our favorite stamps. Let us make this cute rainbow card using the ink swiping technique. I take a watercolor card panel and some concentrated liquid watercolors which are highly pigmented by Little Birdie. I have linked all these products in the description box below. I cover my surface with a copy paper and use the sponge for swiping the inks across my panel. I will now slowly put drops of rainbow colors on the sponge, leaving some gap in between them. I am using only 5 colors as once they mix, they will create the in-between shades of the rainbow. While putting the drops on the sponge, make sure that the color seeps into the sponge. If the drop remains on the top, it mixes up with the next drop that you put. Once I have all the colors on the sponge, I press it on the paper, hold it for a second, and then swipe it along the paper to create the rainbow. And here I have proudly stained my card while picking it up. I tried to remove it, but it didn't go off completely. So I'll be hiding it with some top elements later on. I'm using this stamp set by Hello Bluebird. I have already stamped, colored and die cut the images. I stamp the sentiment and foam mount the panel on a card base. I stamp the puddle and color it in grey. I now take 2 cloud die cuts, stick the first one flat on the rainbow and popped up the second one on foam tape. I stamp a few raindrops around the sentiment. And 2 small hearts on the cloud to complete my card. Let us now quickly see how I made this clean and simple floral card using the ink swiping technique. I take a watercolor card panel and a copy paper under it. I will be using these 2 watercolors in the shades of pink and yellow. I put down the colors on the sponge and swipe the sponge across the panel to create the stripes. I put down more color on the sponge and repeat the process till I cover the panel completely. If you see, I am not being very careful over here. I just want to create a natural look while creating the stripes. I have this floral arrangement stamped on a white cardstock and I have fussy cut the image. I will now put all the elements together and assemble it on the card. I stamp the sentiment on the card base and foam mount the striped panel that we created. I arranged the fussy cut image over the panel and stick it in place to complete the card. Thank you for hopping along with us. Hope you had a great time.